How to make Uber remember your home address. To make Uber remember your home address, you can simply save it. So first of all, open the Uber app and then tap on your account option on the bottom right corner. From there, simply head to this setting option. From here, you will find this add home option. Simply tap on this. From here, once you're in this search bar, simply type in your home location or simply tap on the set location on map option to manually drag your or pinpoint your location. Once you're done, simply tap on this down option, and as you can see, now this home address is added to the Uber. All you have to do is head backwards, tap on this where to option. From here, you should be able to find this saved places over here. Simply tap on this. From here, you will find home option. Tap on this home. Now you can directly book your destination or set your destination as home. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.